We got the truckload assortment from Maddox, but not just one. We have 2 of the truckload assortments. This assortment contains 10 different cakes, 2 500-gram cakes, and 8 200-gram cakes. You'll see right here, 150 shots, 2,600 grams of powder. Fun fact, if I lit each of these sequentially, it would be about 4 minutes of fireworks. Now, we have 2 cases, so what we're going to be doing here is we're going to be lighting 2 of them at the same time, and then a couple of them we're going to light together for our little finale. Rodeo, Tangerine Dream, Reaper Drone, Dream Team, Crackle Finale Box. And see, this is what I was looking at. This one shows red peony. So we got red peony here. However, on the box, you'll see blue peony. That was the confusion that I had. So we'll see if the second case has the same thing or if it's different. Oh, there's 2 monkey wrenches. Interesting. Foxy is supposed to have a Foxy in it, and instead it had 2 monkey wrenches. Not a big deal for what we're doing tonight. Redneck Revenge and Watermelon Moonshine. See if the second one matches. Redneck Revenge, that's a good start. Watermelon Moonshine. Rodeo. Tangerine Dream. Dream Team. Reaper Drone. Ah, see, this one has a Foxy and a monkey wrench. So what I'm going to be doing is shooting a Foxy and a monkey wrench together, and hopefully they're similar durations. And red peony. So there was no blue, even though the box is showing blue on both of them. Not a problem. So we have 2 rodeos there, but I had a third one that was loose. So that specific segment is going to have 3 of those going. Here are all the different pairings. So we're going to have Dream Team times 2, 20-shot cake, bunch of different effects there if you would care to read it. Go off, separate them by 100 feet. We'll have Reaper Drone, 19 shots, 2 of these, same time, separate those also by 100 feet. 2 monkey wrenches, and then instead of 2 Foxies, we're gonna have 1 Foxy and a monkey wrench. Both these are 16-shot cakes. One might last longer than the other, but that's okay. Watermelon Moonshine times 2, these are 7-shot cakes. So we're gonna light those at the same time, should be short duration. We'll have 3 of the rodeos, we'll separate these 50 feet apart each. Then we're gonna have red peony finale box start first. It has a 30-second no duration. This one has a slightly shorter duration, so you might have like 1 or 2 shots of that cake. These will come in thereafter. And then finale here, we have the Crackle Finale Box, 16 shots, and then Redneck Revenge. I don't see a shot count. Oh, there it is, 20 shots. Hard breaking crackle tails to crackle breaks. Yeah, that should be a nice little finale. Also note, I'm going to electric match all of these cakes, so that way if there are timing discrepancies, it's not my fault for using igniters. I'll be using initiators. So I'm actually really excited. Tonight for this demo, we have a a live audience. So you might hear some music and some noise behind me. It's because some people are camping out, enjoying this beautiful weekend, and I get to do some fireworks for them later. Performance. Hard-hitting chrysanthemums, red, green glitter, crackling flowers, 4-shot finale. So originally I was thinking about doubling down and have 4 of these go at the same time and just deal with the fact that Foxy's different. The problem is I actually created a little script for this, so that way it's already all pre-programmed. And yes, I could 100% change it now, but I would almost rather just deal with the fact that one cake is different or that there's an issue with timing than try to re-script it, because this is just for fun. So monkey wrench, 16-shot, sky-filling colored chrysanthemums. Foxy, another 16-shot. Flying fish, strobing stars. Okay. Not sure how I ended up with an extra one of these, but never complain. Oh, look at that spacer. It's kind of funny. Another cake with a spacer in there. This is a 12-shot? Yeah, this one's only 12-shot, makes sense for the spacers. Orange peonies, main effect. Some strobe at the end, a little bit of crackle for the finale. So the fact is orange peony, that's why I paired it with the red peony finale boxes. Here, orange and red, sure, why not? And of course, just ripping the tops off, reduce debris. Now for some bigger cakes, this one's Watermelon Moonshine. It's only a 7-shot, so it's actually hilarious on the inside. Yeah, that cake is a little damaged, but it seems like that tube's secure. Watermelon red and glittering silver. All right. So then for the Crackle Finale boxes, this is technically Pro Ox. I've actually had these before, and they have a couple different varieties: the Crackle, the red, the blue. I believe there's another one, but it's really great because it's just single effect cake, 16 shot, 30 seconds, much easier to plan for a show. I really love it when brands have that option available, especially for someone like me that likes to coordinate stuff together. And lastly, Redneck Revenge. This one's a 20-shotter. Probably one of the, I assume this is going to be one of the more favorite cakes in this assortment. Large breaking crackle tails to crackle breaks, repeats itself, ends with a sky-filling crackle, which is exactly why I'm using it for my finale. And my friends, for the bonus case, we have lights, camera, action. These are Roman candle style 500-gram cakes. We shot some of these recently in a video, but we got more of them. When I shot them before, I had issues with them lighting. I'm going to use igniter clips on them this time, so that way hopefully we avoid that. And I'm going to light all three at the same time. So 128 shot camera. Then we have another one that's 129 shots. Similar Roman candle configuration, and then action 188 shots. So we'll light this one in the middle because it has a little more of a Roman candle barrage to it. Yeah, 108 shots of nonstop action, the heart-pounding finale of huge breaks. Hope you guys like this as a little bonus. This is one Foxy. One of the monkey wrenches. Those are the Reaper drills. Watermelon Moonshine. Missed the height on those bad boys. 2 monkey wrenches. Should be 3 Rodeo. That's funny. It's like 2 of them are the wrong cake. Dream Team. Lights, cameras, action.
crackles have much longer duration.